What is up? What is up, y'all? Sorry. It is Friday. So it's a new day. I believe March 27th. I don't know. Someday in March. But doesn't matter. It's a new day. It's currently 10 a.m. I thought I was going to work, but apparently not. So my shop's having a down day today. So I was just went up earlier before for no reason, but it's okay. It is 10, so it's a perfect time to go look at some charts and go test out our strategies again. So let's go get that set up, and let's also see how strat number 4 is doing today. So as you can see, we are currently down 13.6 because of that huge bullish candle. I was looking at the 4-hour on this monitor over here. Oh, sorry, it looks like a lot of screen clutter. Give me a second. We can see that. So it doesn't look bullish. Well, it jumps back up. So this is like a strong support level. And yeah, usually like when New York session opens, it's always a strong push forward because they're trying to push price up. So looks pretty sketchy, I will say, but I'm gonna leave this going so for the sake of learning, and then if it wins or fails, we can analyze why it did such. Oh, and today is Friday, so I kind of do have to like close this trade because these precious metals doesn't trade on the weekend. Okay, I think I'm just gonna take the loss, and then we can analyze this. What did I even enter? That was a while ago. I think I was looking at it daily when I entered on whatever. I'm just gonna close this position. We can take that loss, and we can analyze why that was an L. But in the meantime, we're gonna have to skip over strat 4, which is our swing strat, because precious metals and forex doesn't trade on the weekend. Futures kind of do, or we can do crypto. So I'm thinking maybe we could maybe either look at Bitcoin or Sol or something, some kind of crypto to test these strategies, whether it be Ethereum or whatever. So let me figure that out really quick, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I made a decision. We're gonna do Bitcoin. I just entered a strat for number 4. I just entered. Oh, so I need to take notes on this, but I just opened a position for Bitcoin for our strat number 4, which is our swing trading position, and I went for a sell because here's my thought process. This is a 4-hour. You see that it's in the down, like it was in a downtrend at one point, so it went down. This is a low, it's a high, it's a higher high, kind of like same-ish high. So this is nothing. It went lower, and then more BS, and it went lower. And I saw it broke this previous huge support that shot it up. It broke it on the bottom, meaning I think the strong buyers here aren't here anymore. We also see it's at this level too, so I just want to test some ideas with this one, because crypto is a little funky and super volatile, and it jumps everywhere. So it's an area I tend to struggle at. So hence why I just decided to just take it and see what happens. Yeah, and I also have strategy number 3 ready to go, but it's looking like for our zones. Wow, this is a lot of screen clutter. I'm sorry. But looking at the yellow, so this zone up here, it's looking like we want a retest on this line to come. Well, we want it to come back to this line if it does go back to the line. If it doesn't, then whatever. So we're gonna be paying attention to these today, and let's just see what happens. In the meantime, I'm going to go to the gym, and then when I come back, we can go over to see like the what's happening currently with our strategies. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Yo, what is up? It's currently 12:06 p.m. and I am exhausted. I went really hard in the gym, but needless to say, I got home and I went over like what I did wrong. And pretty much like what I put in my notes is that I got into the trend way too late. I think whenever you see something like this, you see it's already going down like by this, like usually like by like the second dip, I would wait to see if it breaks this support, and if it doesn't, then I wouldn't get in. See, I got in like right here like way later because I was looking on the daily time frame. And it looked still bearish in the daily time frame, but on the 4 hour, like you can see, that's not really what happens. So read your chart and don't try to get in on the train. If you're too late, you're too late. Screw it. Just try it next time. In terms of our strategy so far on Bitcoin, we put in we're doing a swing trade for sale on Bitcoin. Right now we're up $200, which is pretty gas. In terms of our scalp, it's looking pretty Grimacy Reaper. Hasn't even came back to the zone. But zooming in on the 5 minute, we can see like more information. We see more price action. We can see like it looks like it's still going down. Like this is interesting to see here too. This was a common support ground, but then it got broken. So hopefully this continues and we can get another win. Get at least one win for our strategy number 4, so it'll be 1 of 2 instead of 0 and 2, you know. But we shall see. We're gonna let this play out. I'm gonna go grocery shopping, and if anything changes or anything happens, I'll update you guys. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's 8:46 p.m. Currently our position is still the same for the swing. Right now we're sitting at negative $34. I'm going to continue to hold this till tomorrow, see how it performs tomorrow. Tomorrow, we can check on it in the morning. In terms of our scalping, we didn't have any positions to scalp, so we can see if we can set some up tomorrow. But I do know for a fact tomorrow, excuse me, I'll be a little busy in the evening, so I'm going to try and get it all out of the way in the afternoon. But yeah. So far in terms of our trading journal, we are still 2 for 2 in terms of strategy 2. There was no trades on strategy 2 today. And as for strategy 3, we are currently still in strategy 4. We are still currently in trade for strategy 4. So hopefully we can get a dub for strategy 4. Other than that, that is it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.